So today we're going to give the Craftsman PYT9000 a little love. We're going to clean the mower deck because we've been cutting some really high wet grass this year, like crazy wet and high. Poor thing. And I don't have a filter. I don't know how I don't have a filter for it, so I'm just going to change the oil. I know, bad me, but what are you going to do? Clean oil is better than dirty oil, right? So, I mean, it's like the second time. I changed the filter last fall, so it's fine. Don't worry about it. All right, thanks for watching. Some in the way, center there. Maybe I'll get a stick. See if I can get with a stick, maybe.
There's some in the center here. Oh, look, there's a whole bunch over there on the other side of this blade. If you get a stick, I could reach it from this side. Wow, look at that. Look at all this green stuff stuck up in here.
Not as much as I expected, but a decent amount. All right, let's look for. Oh, that's the way you do it, huh? And you do this. That looks pretty dark, huh? So this is the Craftsman PYT9000. Getting a mini oil change. I don't have a filter, so you're going to be mad at me because I'm not going to change the filter. I'm just going to change the oil. So,
based on the color of the oil, should we get a filter?
Well, we should, but we don't feel like going to town. So, therein lies the problem with inventory management here today. We failed the mission of being prepared for today's project. And I always like to take a little bit of clean oil, right? Dump it in and have it flush out the old stuff. I know it's a waste of oil, but in my mind,
Look at how different that color is.
if you do that, then it gets all that dirty stuff out of there. Poor Briggs and Stratton's is taking a beating here. This spring has been rough on the Briggs and Stratton, I would say. You know what you could do? You can go and grab a paper towel in the house. Looks like we're going to mix some Walmart Super Tech heavy duty SAE 30 with some Wolf's Head, because that's what we have. So yeah, this was kind of an unplanned oil change, which is bad, but don't worry, in a couple months or so I'll redo it again. All right, I think we're done draining, so let's cap that bad boy up and fill her up. I wonder if we should blast it with that steamer quick. All right, let's see if we can steam clean this thing. No, this is no fun at all. Hope it starts after this. We'll see. I'm not sure that was a good use of my time, but it does look a little cleaner. Whether or not it's happier, I don't know. We need to get more of this dollar store cleaner. Well, it's no longer $1, but all right, that's that.